First Five of San Luis Obispo County is proud to honor this month's hands-on hero, Maureen Marquis. Maureen's enthusiasm and giving nature set her apart as a volunteer, helping improve the lives of thousands.
It's such a pleasure to express my love and gratitude for Maureen.
Maureen epitomizes a volunteer. She does anything and everything, and she loves the kids. She loves what we do, and she's a beautiful woman with a big heart.
You are a gift to all of our students that we clothe. Over 1,100 students in North County alone this season.
It's obvious to all that she had this great big heart, and her hand was always up, and she was always volunteering for everything.
I am so thrilled to know a person like Maureen, who has a passion and devotion with a friendly nature, an open heart.
Once I started working with Maureen, I understood what she was all about, and that's serving the needs of children. She loves children.
I personally would never want to do this job without you. I trust you. You're my right hand and my left hand.
I am so proud of you, but I knew all along that you were a winner.
Maureen, on behalf of the thousands of children that you have provided for over the many, many years, and the members that you have mentored with grace, we salute you, we celebrate you, and you are our hero.
Congratulations, Maureen. Your passion for children is catching.
Congratulations, Maureen.
We're so proud and honored to congratulate you.
So I thank Assistance League, I thank all the wonderful friends I've made, and I thank First Five for this great, great honor. Thank you.
You can learn more about our hands-on heroes in the SLO Journal Plus and at first5slo.org.